Hey, Mr. Drake, got any cool plans for Christmas?
Just trying to figure out how to boost sales for my Shopify store.
Seriously? It's not that hard. I just saw a 25% boost in my Shopify sales last month.
No way unless Rihanna is promoting for you.
Not Rihanna, but some top influencers from around the globe.
Okay, now you've got my attention.
You can hire influencers in your niche to promote your products on social media. They get a small commission for the sales they bring in.
What's the catch?
No catch. It's really that simple.
Come on, it can't be that easy. How do you even manage to recruit and handle all these influencers? Sounds like a headache.
I use a Shopify app called Afflr for all my affiliate marketing. It automates everything from setting up the affiliate program to onboarding, generating referral codes, and even payouts. You can track all key performance metrics to help refine the program. Plus, it integrates with other apps to make life easier.
I need that Afflr link like yesterday.
Already sent it to your inbox.